hear my line no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring.
Hey you guys, so I have another wig to show you guys. It is a new wig from the Outre and Play collection. I have really been loving this collection. I've already tried 2 wigs, and this collection is new and different. First of all, the packaging is really, really dope. This is what the packaging looks like. It no longer comes in that plastic sleeve. It has this really nice matte packaging, and then the picture of the girls on the box is glossy, which is great for YouTube because when we do our reviews, it's not so like shiny and giving that shiny vibe. Like you can actually see the box and look at it. The only thing that I'm not crazy about is not having the sleeve, because I don't keep my wigs in the boxes. I do keep them in the sleeves, but that's okay. I can just get Ziploc bags. I usually will put them in like the gallon Ziploc bags if they don't have a bag that it comes with. So I really appreciate this packaging. I think it's pretty and it's clean and it's something new and different. So the unit I have today is Daphne. It's in a 950, and I'm super excited about this wig because anytime I get a straight wig with the bend on the end of it from Outre, I am always in love with the unit. So let's go ahead and without further ado, jump right into this. This is a 360 lace front wig. So you do have your 2 columns in the front, 1 comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps. You have your lace frontal all the way across the edge. You have lace that goes all the way around the back as well if you want to wear it in a ponytail. And then you also have a little bit of silk cap up here at the top. Looks like this unit has some bangs right here, long layers, and then your longest section in the back. The color is really, really pretty, very subtle. It'll show in sunlight, but otherwise it'll just look like a deep color, and I really, really like it. It's very pretty. So this cap construction is very similar to this wig that I just reviewed. If you want to learn more about this unit, I do have a review up on it, so you can definitely click the link right up above to check out this unit, but make sure you finish watching this review first. So I did want to show you guys my new braid pattern. This is a braid pattern that I just came up with today because I wasn't sure if I was going to be doing middle part units or full lace frontal units. So for middle part units, I used to braid my hair going straight down, but that would leave a bump like right here. So if I was gonna do a lace front, like you'd see the bump of that first braid coming straight down, but the wig would lay very flat at the middle part section. So I was like, I need something that's versatile, that will have a flat middle part and will also have flatness around the edge and won't be too bulky in the middle. So I decided to part my hair straight down the middle and do braids that sort of radiate down and back, so that my middle part will be extremely flat and the sides and the edges will be very flat too. So this is the braid pattern that I came up with. I doubt this is anything revolutionary. I'm sure plenty of people have figured out this braid pattern as well, but I just wanted to show you all because this is the first time that I've done it, and I do find it very, very helpful and useful. So just wanted to share that.
Make you wine to this, nah, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel it, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah, nah, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, all of me. Baby, make you follow me, follow me. I go give you all of me, all of me. On moto, Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine. She She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. Daphne, blow. Tell me what you want to know.
Alright guys, so I decided to go ahead and gel down my edges. And yeah, I like this wig. I knew I would. So far this Outre and Play collection is bomb. It's just fire. And I kind of knew it would be, because when I saw it being promoted, it looked a lot to me like the Cloud 9 when they came out with Sensational's Cloud 9 collection, and that was a human hair mix with all these different interesting cap constructions and different versatile styles that you could do with it. This collection is really reminding me of that. And I like it. I definitely like it. I love how this wig is curled. I love the cut of this wig. It's just bomb. I love this unit. Of all the wigs that I've tried from Outre and Play, this is by far my favorite. I would definitely double back and get her in the DR 27613 because she'll be bomb in that color as well. You guys let me know what you think about this wig. I really like it. It's like a nice yaki, light yaki, not super yaki texture. The length is really bomb. It's got to be at least like 26 inches, you guys. It's really long. But I like the layers. And I love the color. This is the perfect 950. Really pretty. And for some reason my makeup is just like perfect for this look. So yeah, y'all, she cute or whatever. She real cute. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm saying? Y'all me, y'all saying she real cute. So I would suggest her. Of all the ones, I think I like Daphne the best of the ones that I've tried. If you want to look back at some of the other Outre and Play wigs that I did, I will leave a link up here and in the information bar down below. Once again, you can check out this wig at samsbeauty.com. Thank you so much, Sams, for sponsoring this video. And let's get into these slow-mos because they are so lit.